Excellent affiliate marketing tips that you must know. If you already know about internet marketing and things like keywords and niche markets, then you're well on your way to becoming an affiliate marketer, and you just have to decide to take that next step. In this video, you will learn some of the tools and tactics that it takes to become a successful affiliate marketer. To sign the best contract possible, review it carefully before signing. Some companies might ask you not to sell anything else outside of their products. This will eventually keep you from earning more money, and you will find yourself tied to one program that you might not be satisfied with. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, evaluate the marketing platform of a potential affiliate company before you decide to advertise their products. If the quality of the company's marketing is poor, you will not be likely to receive worthwhile profits from promoting their items. If you are not impressed, your visitors will not be either. As the most basic rule of thumb for affiliate marketers, you need to choose a quality product before you get started. If the product you're choosing to promote is of poor quality, your results are ultimately going to suffer. Go with a solid product that has a quality reputation behind it. If not, there is no point in putting in the effort. Don't expect immediate results. While some products will immediately start bringing in sales, others take time. Your return readers will help to build your sales gradually, and this in turn brings you the money from the company you work for. This isn't an instant turnaround, but patience will help it pay off in the end. Becoming a successful marketer should be your ultimate goal, but you should never branch out and attempt to do it on your own. Use videos like these to guide you through the areas that confuse you or those that you do not have mastered. Over time, you'll be able to turn this information into marketing gold. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today, and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.